Hey friends, welcome back to my Whole House Declutter series. Today I'm going through all my jewelry, decluttering and organizing it using the KonMari method. This is one of those categories that can be deeply personal for me, so I'm taking it slowly and really tuning into what I love and what I actually wear. The first step is to gather everything into one spot. I keep most of my jewelry in my jewelry box, so I will go through this first. I also have a few pieces that don't fit inside the jewelry box. I'll take those out as well to go through. Right here, I take all my necklaces out of the jewelry box to look through. The gold necklace I know I always use, so that's a keep. I will put it back right away. And now I will look through my piercings and earrings. I think only this one piercing I will declutter. I have decluttered my home and belongings many times, so I don't think I have a huge jewelry collection. But I still find myself holding on to some pieces just because I used to wear them or because they were gifts. I'll also take all my bracelets out. I have a few. When I hold a favorite piece, something I love and wear often, it sets the tone for what I want my collection to be and feel like I want it to be good quality. I want it to feel like it's intentional and true to my style and what I like now. So that helps me when I go through all my jewelry. These pearl earrings I have used once, but I didn't really like them. That's a declutter. And these earrings, they are quite worn. It's only gold plated, so you can see the silver behind now. So I will let go of those. But I'll keep the other three. I have the same kind. And I have these earrings from Moonstone. I have used a few times, but I tend not to use them anymore. So I will declutter. I will save these stones. They are for my shoes if they fall off. And I will save the earrings and the bracelet. Here's some angle chains. I'll keep those. As I go through each item, I ask myself, do I wear this regularly? Does it fit my current style? Would I buy this again? And of course, the KonMari question, does it spark joy? Sometimes I keep things simply because they hold a memory. When that happens, I consider setting those pieces aside in a sentimental box rather than keeping them with my everyday jewelry. But I also want all of my belongings to be something I use often because I like to live minimal in a simple home with the minimalist mindset of only keeping what I actually use. Yeah, that's something I still struggle with. Choosing whether to hold onto certain pieces just to keep some memories alive. It's not always easy for me to declutter sentimental pieces, but I try my best. Some pieces are easier to let go of than others. If it's broken, missing a pair, or just not my style anymore, I let it go. Once I've made my decision, I organize what's left. I already organize it in my jewelry box. The items that I will keep, I'll just put on top of my jewelry box right now. And the pieces on the left is the items that I will declutter. So 3 of these necklaces I will keep. I try to store everything in my jewelry box. The items that is too big to fit, I will put next to my jewelry box, so I have everything organized together and it's easy to find and see. So these pieces that I stored away was something that needs a good clean because it's gold plated. It begins to show the silver. So I will try to get it cleaned by a jewelry store. Here's some of the pieces that can't fit in my jewelry box. It's these 4 bracelets, and I will keep all of those just next to my jewelry box, so I have everything organized together and it's easy to find and see. So left is donate, in the middle is reorganize, and the right is pieces that needs to be cleaned, and then they will go back into my jewelry box. I'll just take these 4 bracelets away, and I need to fix this bracelet from PD Paula. I will reorganize it in my jewelry box. And thank you for watching and joining me in this gentle edit of my space. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoy these calming real-life declutters. There's more coming soon in the Whole House Declutter series. Don't leave yet if you wanna see the final count of the decluttered items. If you have any questions for me, please write a comment and I will do my best to answer your comment. So here I will count. I'll count the necklace and the pendant, that's 2. And then I will count the earrings as a pair. So that's 10 declutters in total. See you next time.